Okay. Napoy ginatawag sa karate do nga bungkay kung asa katong mga stances and forms nga mong gi-perform. Unsa siya application in real life kung nakay kontra. 'Di ba? Sige go.
Forward. Yeah. Kapag dipinsa, kapag tatak.
Ah, sige. Parinuda! Say kung pataas ang buda. Hi there everyone! Welcome to another video! Ayan, so naka-quarantine, quarantine days and usag yun sa to ang dapat wato diba is mag-learn ka new skills or unsa, but in my situation right now i-refresh na ako ang skills sa karate do. Ayan, so pasensya na mo kay medyo saba kay duling sa dalan and we're here sa mo ang backyard. Yan na yung mga baboy. And syempre na mo ang sensei Char, ako ang manghod. And my cousins are joining me also. So magtuon ta balik og karate do. So join us. I hope nga napan niya ako ang mga skills in karate. So let's go! Wow! And feel yun na ako musuot sa kimono. And it's been 4 years since sukad wala na ako na nasuot. And so, syempre, kailangan prepared ang imuhang body before doing some workouts. So, very important yun ang stretching because it helps your body to become flexible and para po ma-decrease ang risk for injury.
Hindi ko One. Oh, down.
Karate has many different stances, each used for different types of power and movement. Oh, kini pa, sa karate na apoy ginatawag nga kata. It is a Japanese word which literally means form. Mao kini ang detailed patterns of movements. Diba?
Oh, pagani.
Ay,
2,000 years later.
Of course, no, dugay na kay ko wala nag-compete and practice. So, kailangan din ako i-refresh ako ang memories with my favorite Shotokan kata nga John. Dugay-dugay na po ng panahon nga wala na ako na-perform ang maong kata. And of course, to master Shotokan karate katas, you will also have to learn basic Shotokan stances, karate kicks, karate blocks, karate punches, and more. Well, sa akong sitwasyon, murag layo na gyud kaayo sa tinuod. Pero go paghapon.
One eternity later.
Okay. So, nana ko ang papa. 6th dan black belter. Aside sa yung pagka-ARNIS, ano sa'yo tawag na? ARNIS?
Grandmaster.
Ay, ARNIS Grandmaster.
Master.
6th dan, mo good.
Fourth dan.
4th dan black belt. Ano makapasaba ang ambuang skills. Okay? So, say mo expectations sa kuwang pagkata.
Pagani mo nag-perform, nag-perform ninyo.
Feeling ni mo, maayo dili.
Wala ko performance ninyo. Sana ko
Pero tagay sa sila, tagay ideas itong mga, tagay thoughts. Ang ato ang mga viewers of what is karate do and how is it important for a person to learn self-defense.
Karate do is not only self-defense but it's also a moral obligation towards your neighbor, your friends, so, to be responsible person. It will not be used for other purposes except self-defense. So self-defense is also physical. Karate-do is also a physical form of preparation. It can be only used.
Nag-record me. Time sa akin, nangitag tuyo ko, mama. Okay, last question. Among all the martial forms of martial arts, unsay kalainan sa karate-do?
Dagan man. Dagan klase ang karate. There are plenty of style. Shotokan, Shorin-ryu, Goju-ryu, Bojuka, Shinto-ryu. There are plenty of Kung Fu, Jiu-jitsu. There are plenty of karate-do. I think thousands of styles. But most of this all of these are all good martial art. This is for self-defense and physical development.
Alright, sige go. So we will perform the kata Jun and we'll see Konsehang reaction. Okay, let's go! Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Jun!
Needs mastery, proper execution, movements and sequence.
Yan. So,
Kata is a form of mastering of movements and execution. So it must be in the proper form and proper delivery of movement like punching, kicking, and blocking. And the step must be synchronized with your fellow karate-do in the execution. That is one characteristics of
good kata.
Judging good or perfect kata execution.
So, kung i-score ni mo ang kata from 1 to 10?
Mga 7.
Wow! 7! Pasar gyapon. Diba? So, by the way, kami tayo may isuon was influenced by my papa sa martial arts kay kami gita na ni mong karate do. Ha! Hanga kayo! Yan. So, magpasample na karon si Konsehal. Okay? Okay. Napoy ginatawag sa karate do nga bungkay kung asa katong mga stances and forms nga mong gi-perform. Unsa siya application in real life kung nakay kontra. 'Di ba? Sige go. In other words, bunkai is the essence of kata. The word itself actually means to break down in Japanese. Paninuda!
Pata!
Hilak. Hilak. Hilak.
Uy, laki. Ini.
So, timanit. Bag. Ha? Ako?
What? Pat. Kagunin mo.
Gay na! Kapangusubal ka!
Ay, Ninan! Ito pagkakulubun ko. Nawala yung pagkakulubun. Ito pagkakulubun. Hindi ko niya. Hindi ako lumaki ito. So, bangkay ako. Sipangkay ako. Sipa.
Kasi pamitado. For example, kung may weapon. Yan, sample. So?
Yeah. Yeah. Kaya blood yan. Yan po. Yan ikaw.
Okay. What's the steps? Side?
Kaya ako. Ganito ka. So, yan ka. Hindi kilala din ni...
Hit ang face.
Hindi po niya.
Wow!
Dia po. Dia.
Oh, say kung pataas ang tunggab. Agay!
Ikaw.
So, sundag. La.
Bon, come on. Sunday ka dito si mo ko auto. Ayaw ginalaga, samak maka. Diyan ka. Continue. Kaya yung biya ka sa pa. Iya kung paano. Pak, kini panghalo mo niya. Pak. Ayan.
Next time, we'll have an ARNIS session with Konsehal. But for now, it was all karate do. Syempre from basic stance, forms, from katas to defenses. Yan, so mula natin unang ipakita sa inyo ha. But don't you worry, for the next days, we'll have an exclusive ARNIS experience with the Konsehal Grandmaster ng ARNIS sa Balintawak. So, thank you once again sa akong mga kauban, my cousins. Siyempre, yan, timing kinauman mi, nauman na po rin sinugba. And also to my manghod nga gikapoy na, and to my papa, of course, ang mga influence for martial arts. I hope you've learned something. And kamu po, it's not too late to learn karate do. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed watching. See you on the next one. This has been again Maria Feelingera. Don't forget to like and subscribe.